There was once a young man named Daniel, full of dreams and ambition. From a young age, he had always wanted to build something of his own, to create a business that would bring him success and security. He had read countless stories of great entrepreneurs who had started from nothing and worked their way up. Inspired, he took all his savings and started his first business at the age of 22. At first, he was excited. He put in long hours, worked tirelessly, and poured his heart and soul into his venture. But things didn't go as planned. Sales were low, and expenses piled up. Despite his best efforts, the business failed within a year. He lost all his savings. More than that, he lost his confidence. People around him started to say, "Maybe this isn't for you." Some laughed at his failure, while others advised him to take a stable job and forget about his ambitions. For a while, Daniel believed them. He stayed home, defeated, wondering if he had been foolish to dream so big. But deep inside, a small voice kept whispering, "Try again." The thought of giving up didn't sit well with him. He knew that failure was painful, but what if he gave up and regretted it for the rest of his life? Summoning the courage to start again, Daniel took what little he had left and launched another business. This time, he was smarter. He had learned from his past mistakes, planned better, and managed his finances carefully. He was more cautious but still determined. Things seemed to go well at first. He started gaining customers, and for a moment, he thought he had figured it out. But life had other plans. Once again, his business failed. This time, it hurt even more. He had put everything into this second attempt, convinced that he had learned enough to succeed. And yet, he was back to where he started, except now, he had twice the failure and twice the doubt. He sat in his small apartment, staring at the bills piling up, wondering if this was a sign to give up. How could someone fail twice? Maybe success just wasn't meant for him. Most people would have quit at this point. Many would have walked away, convinced that success was for someone else, not them. But something inside Daniel refused to accept defeat. He thought about the stories he had once read, the ones about people who had failed before succeeding. He realized that every failure had taught him something valuable. Instead of giving up, Daniel decided to try one last time. But this time, he didn't rush. He took his time to study, research, and understand the business world better. He met successful people and learned from their experiences. He didn't expect overnight success anymore. He focused on small wins, consistent efforts, and steady progress. And then, something incredible happened. Slowly, his third business started to grow. It wasn't an overnight miracle, but step by step, customer by customer, things began to improve. He was more prepared now. When problems arose, he didn't panic, he adapted. He made smarter decisions, avoided past mistakes, and built his business with patience and persistence. 1 year passed, then 2. Before he knew it, Daniel had a thriving company. The same people who once doubted him now admired his determination. They called him lucky, but he knew the truth, his success wasn't luck. It was built on failure, persistence, and never giving up. His journey taught him the greatest lesson of all: failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of success. Every time he failed, he was getting closer to his goal. Every mistake taught him something valuable. He realized that most people give up too soon, just when they are closest to a breakthrough. So if you are struggling right now, if you have faced failure and feel like giving up, remember Daniel's story. Your journey is not over. Your failure is not final. Keep going, keep learning, and never stop believing in yourself. The road to success is never easy, but it is always worth it. You might fail once, twice, or even 10 times, but as long as you keep trying, success will come. Just like Daniel, you too can turn failure into fortune. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring stories. See you in the next video.